Good morning. So this will be a video support for chapter 6. No, chapter 7. Oscillations and waves. So, problems for video support. Support lang to. So, number 3. We will start with number 3. The tip of a tuning fork goes through 440 complete vibrations. So, tuning fork is a musical instrument. Usually, a musical instrument vibrates. Diba? Strings. If you have horns, of course, you're blowing air into it. So, malapira di part nga ada itong vibration. Okay? So, I guess may picture din yung tuning fork. This one is a tuning fork. So, usually, ang makita ini, iba-iba't ira tono, kay iba-iba man ira vibrations. So, mo, the more nga nagtitikagote, the more nga yung vibrations damo per time, vibrations per time, because gutay malaki ang gagalawan. So the more nga dako ya, mas himubot ya tono, because itiya vibration is very sugad kadamo with time, and your frequency of vibration tells you what note or what pitch is it. So 440, I think this is kumbaga note, this is note A, kaya siya kung tono 440 sa timo A. Middle A, kidami dito mo A, of course, it occurs in octave. So, 440 complete vibrations points and find the angular frequency. For the angular frequency, as I told you, from the general equations that we have, will just be, I think, targeting this 3. So, adi pa kita katikangan. So, basically, this would be it. So, this is your frequency. So, mo angular frequency is mo multiply ang 2 pi from your frequency. Because mo frequency, of course, is that is how many cycles per second or vibrations per second. Pero mo angular, of course, mo multiply na iya para pira iya ka pi. Mo kasi sa kalibot is 2 pi. So, angular frequency, pira iya ka pi in time. So, and then the other problem is period, that is t. Time. Period is the time it took for that one complete vibration. So, usagula kapalo niya. So, that is your T, which is can be taken from your one. So, this one is simple. This is a direct substitution. So, ouch, I was bitten by a lamok. Okay. So, your angular frequency, omega, so this is omega, is 2 pi f. Your f is the 440 vibration. 440 vibration or cycle. Cycle is ulit aton kuan. So, vibration or cycle, so per time. So, that's your frequency. Pero niya oras, that is 0.500 seconds. So, we should round this off to 3 significant figures. Okay, we get our calculator. This one is easy. 2 pi times 440 divided by 0.5. So, that would give us 1760 pi. So, kung karag natin by pi, so 1760 answer, pero kayo solid itong pi, give kita times 3.40 nito natin. So, the answer is 5529 in 3 significant figures, that's 5530. So, this should be 5530 in 3 significant figures. So, 0 na ito tapusan. So, 5530 unit now would be radian, because this is now angular frequency, radian per second. And for our period, T is actually it's a divisible lang dito. Yun na yun. Diba 0.5 divided by 0.40. So we go back to the equation. That is T is dinivide lang yung 2 pi. So, pwede natin yung 2 pi, ito sa taas, that your period is just the inverse of your frequency. So just the inverse of your frequency. T is just the inverse of your frequency. So that is 1 all over 440 cycle per 0.5 seconds. So yung 0.5 pupunta yan sa taas. So magiging seconds yung unit niya. Kasi yung cycle nawawala lang yan. So yung sabi ko sa inyo. So 0.5 divided by 0.40. The 0.5 divided by 440, and that will give us 1.14. 1.14 in 3 significant figures times 10 to the negative 3 seconds. So, pwede mo ito siyang gawing milli. Pwede ito 1.14 millisecond. 1,000 of a second. 1.14. So, that would be your period. The time it will take for one cycle or one vibration. Kung isang vibration lang, ano yung time nun? Yung T. So, this one is easy. Baka isama ko lang to sa easy problems. Thank you guys. Just cut. Para damo tatanma. Pagod tayo lang ito oras. Thank you for listening.